Hi Chemistry Cats! Today we're going to do a review of using Avogadro's number to convert between moles and particles. In this example, we are looking at coffee. Now, every day I need at least 3 cups of coffee. And coffee, when I look at these calculations, I'm going to make an assumption that coffee is mostly water, H2O. So most of coffee is just H2O molecules, water molecules. If each cup is roughly 250 milliliters, which is about 13.9 moles of water at room temperature, how many water molecules am I consuming in my daily coffee intake? And I'm going to start with writing out what I know. As you guys all know, this is where I love to start. So I know that I'm drinking 3 cups of coffee. And I also know that in each cup there is approximately 13.9 moles of water. And this will give me my number of moles. And I have an abbreviation for number of moles as lowercase n. When I do this calculation, my unit for cups will cancel out. And when I do 3 times 13.9 in my calculator, I get 41.7 moles. And we again are assuming that our coffee is mostly just water. So those are moles of water. But my question is asking me how many water molecules, not how many moles. I want to know how many molecules there are in this coffee. Now, something else that I know is Avogadro's number. Avogadro tells me that 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. And in this case, our particles are going to be molecules because H2O, the hydrogens, are bonded to an oxygen to make a molecule. So knowing Avogadro's number, I can use this to convert my moles to molecules. So to get my number of molecules, which is my last step, I'm going to start with my 41.7, which is my calculated number of moles of H2O. And I'm going to multiply that by Avogadro's number because I know that if I put 1 mole in the denominator, it will cancel out my units. And then in my numerator will be my 6.02 2 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. So again, my unit for mole will cancel out. And once I type that in my calculator, I find that there are 2.51 times 10 to the 25th power, 10 to the 25, molecules of H2O. And then I'm just doing a reality check here. Okay, if I drink 3 cups of coffee a day, that wasn't a good cup of coffee. So these are going to be my 3 cups of coffee each day. And the question is asking me molecules of water, which are really small. In my 3 cups of coffee, do I expect there to be a lot of molecules or a little number of molecules? And in my head, in my reality check, I'm going to say, okay, in 3 cups of coffee, I should have a lot of water molecules. So my answer should be really big. And when I look at my answer of 2.51 times 10 to the 25th power, that is a big number. So in reality, my reality check makes sense. So my answer makes sense. All right, thank you.